The next morning, when Briggs woke up, he found that
Ay.
the dog hadn't drunk any water all night. He opened the water bottle to take a sip
Oh,
himself, but the
oh,
dog suddenly lunged
oh,
forward and
oh.
snatched the water bottle from his hand. Briggs nervously chuckled and tried to talk to it,
Gandang-ganda
attempting to
mo
rebuild
dyan.
trust, but the dog didn't respond. Then, the dog suddenly
Ano
became
naman
restless, as if it
magandang-gandahan
sensed
sa
something. Briggs
salita?
didn't
Hindi
understand
ko
what
ba
was happening.
kapag
The dog jumped
hinagay
out of
sa
the car and ran
usaw?
into the woods. Briggs chased after it in a
And
panic,
there's
but if
nothing
you want to
about
see more,
that,
the
you
movie is
know?
called Dog. This dog is very
And
dangerous.
my hair
Even
is so
well-trained soldiers were afraid of it,
messy.
so its mouth was
Okay lang
muzzled
din
and
na
it was
siya,
even
kay
kept in a cage. But
pag
one day,
naradyo
a
ka sa
soldier decided
balay,
to take it away.
tapulan
He walked into
kalig
the
ko.
dog's cage without any
Mga
precautions.
buhaton is
The dog immediately stood up, ready to
magpatraman
attack.
ka.
Briggs slowly approached
Palaban
the
na
dog,
dyan
trying
kag
to touch it. The
half-pat.
dog remained
Sinabi
completely
kayong
calm.
kay baling
Briggs gently
tignawa,
stroked it and
kay
told his friend that the
bagyo
dog wasn't so
basya.
scary after all. But the
Kabalo
dog
ba,
suddenly
basya
lunged
or
at him,
basya
scaring
nga
Briggs
ang
out of his
bagyo?
wits. He quickly threw the dog
Oh
into
my
the car and decided to take it away from the
goodness.
prison.
And
Even
look
in the
at
car,
my
the dog kept barking furiously.
baby.
After a while,
Oh,
it got tired and sat
he's
quietly, but Briggs was still very nervous.
sleeping.
He called a senior officer.
So,
The officer told him that this wasn't an ordinary dog. It was a highly
baby.
trained military dog.
Ayan,
Its
baby.
handler had been killed in
Look at
action.
my
Since then, the dog had gone
husband.
mad and started attacking everyone. Briggs
Oh,
decided to take
I'm
the dog
so
to its handler's
fat.
funeral, but this
It's
wasn't easy. As soon as the call
okay.
ended, the dog started going
Sige man
crazy
po
again.
ko
Briggs tried to calm it
kaon.
down by
Alangan
talking to
po
it, but
og
the dog didn't
maniwang ko kung
cooperate, so the
basigi
car
ko
finally stopped.
kaon.
Briggs
So
mustered
kung
his courage and
magsikag
removed the muzzle
kaon,
from the dog's
expect na
mouth.
ganya
He
siyang
slowly opened the cage
manambok.
door, wanting to
Pero
let it out,
mag-uol
but the
ko
dog
kung
still
wala
barked
ko'y
ferociously.
kaon,
Then
hindi
Briggs
na
closed the
nambok
cage
ra
door again.
gyapon.
When he
Isa na
left, the
siya
dog rushed out of the
magic.
cage.
Di
When
naman
Briggs
po.
returned, he was
So
shocked by the
magsikag
condition
kaon,
of his
ayaw
car.
ra ko
The
pagol
seats
kung
were completely destroyed by the
manambok
dog. He
ka.
was so frightened that
So
he didn't even
expect
dare to
yun
open the
na.
car door.
Man,
Then he had an idea. He
ay
stuffed a sausage in the
manambok jud ka
tranquilizer and fed it
magsikag
to the dog.
kaon.
A
So
few minutes later,
ayaw
the dog passed out.
pag-uol kung
Finally, Briggs breathed a
masikag
sigh of relief.
kaon na
He stopped in a small
mag-expect ka nga
village nearby.
maniwang.
That
Kay di
night,
jud na
he felt guilty
mahitabo.
about the dog. When he
Ikaw
offered
so
it food,
sikag
the
usin mo nga di
tranquilizer
pang
had already
inom-inom
weakened
lang
the dog
mga
so
tambal
much that
para
it couldn't even stand
paniwang.
up. It lay on the ground, eating
Lugwa
slowly.
bitagay
Seeing
mo
this,
pag
Briggs felt
kaniwang.
terrible. He sat down next to the dog and tried to feed it by hand. But the dog no longer trusted it. The next morning, when Briggs
So,
woke up, he
kanang
found that the
mga
dog
40
hadn't
ho
drunk any water all
nag-edad.
night. He opened the water
So
bottle to
naman
take a
inyong
sip himself,
buhaton
but
sa
the
mga
dog
40
suddenly
ho
lunged forward
edad.
and snatched the water bottle from his hand. Briggs nervously chuckled and tried to talk to
40
it,
ho na
attempting to
taday
rebuild
pero
trust, but the
feeling
dog didn't respond. Then,
20
the
pa
dog suddenly
edad,
became
30
restless,
pa
as if it
edad.
sensed something.
Oh
Briggs
my
didn't understand what was
Lord.
happening. The dog jumped out of the car and ran
Oh,
into the
because
woods.
we are
Briggs
so
chased after it in a
young
panic,
na.
but if you want to see
No,
more,
we're not
the movie is
young.
called
Pero
Dog.
young ta
This dog
sa,
is very
mas
dangerous.
younger
Even
ta
well-trained
sa
soldiers
mga
were afraid of it, so its
50 o
mouth was
16
muzzled
na
and it
edad
was even
ron.
kept in a cage. But one day, a soldier
Sa
decided to
una
take it
kay
away.
30
He
pa
walked into
ba
the dog's
ang
cage without any
pagkakunda.
precautions. The dog
Sa
immediately stood
una
up,
pag
ready to
kay
attack.
20
Briggs
kami
slowly
kay
approached the dog, trying to touch it. The
ito
dog remained
naman,
completely calm.
40 na
Briggs gently stroked it
day.
and told his friend that the dog wasn't so scary
Anong
after all.
40
But
ka
the
naman
dog suddenly
nag-edad
lunged
day?
at him, scaring Briggs out of his wits. He quickly threw the dog into the car and decided to take it away from the prison. Even in the car, the dog kept barking furiously. After a
Bawal
while,
na
it got
ang
tired and
kape
sat
kay
quietly, but Briggs was still
kabuhion.
very nervous. He called a
Sinabi
senior
karon nga
officer. The officer told him that this wasn't an
buminaw.
ordinary dog. It was a
Bawal
highly
jud ang
trained military
kape.
dog. Its handler had been killed in action. Since then, the dog had gone mad and started attacking everyone. Briggs
Kape
decided to
and
take the dog to
then
its handler's funeral, but
naibag
this wasn't
yung
easy. As soon as the call ended, the dog started
basyang.
going crazy again. Briggs tried to calm it down by talking to it, but the dog didn't cooperate until the car finally stopped. Briggs
Okay,
mustered his courage and removed the
bye-bye.
muzzle from the dog's
Di
mouth.
ko di
He
ko
slowly
bagay
opened the cage
mag-vlog
door,
kay
wanting to let it out,
mura
but
kong
the dog
buri ka
started
to
barking
yung
ferociously.
storya.
Then Briggs closed the
Kung
cage door again.
magpangisog
When he
pud
left,
ko
the dog rushed out
mag-vlog,
of the cage.
mura
When
sad
Briggs
ko
returned, he
daghang
was shocked
anak.
by the condition of his car.
Kaya ang
The
akong
seats were
tingog
completely
perti
destroyed by
kay
the dog.
kapag
He
ka
was so frightened that he
kapag
didn't even dare to open the
maghinalita
car
o
door. Then he
mag-inisog.
had an idea. He
So di
stuffed
na
a
lang ko
sausage with a
mag-vlog.
tranquilizer and fed it to the dog. A few
Mag-vlog,
minutes later,
vlog.
the dog
Kung
passed out.
mag-vlog, vlog
Finally,
mong gani
Briggs
ko,
breathed a sigh of relief.
kinahanglan
He stopped in a
ako
small
ang
village nearby.
kaugalingon
That
ang
night, he felt
makadungog
guilty about
o
the dog.
makakita.
When he offered it
Kaya
food,
ako ra po'y
the tranquilizer had
mabash
already weakened the dog so
o
much that it couldn't even stand
ako ra
up.
po'y
It lay on the ground, eating slowly. Seeing
mag-appreciate
this,
kung
Briggs felt terrible. He sat
tsada
down
ba
next
siya
to
or
the dog and
milad.
tried to feed it by hand. But the dog no
Basta,
longer trusted it. The next morning, when Briggs woke up, he
mukaon
found
ka.
that the dog hadn't drunk
Ayaw
any water
dili
all
ka
night. He opened the water
mukaon,
bottle to take a sip himself,
mabuang
but the
ka.
dog suddenly lunged forward and
Ayaw
snatched
kung
the water
ano sa
bottle
to.
from his hand. Briggs nervously chuckled and
Protein,
tried to talk to it,
carbohydrates
attempting to rebuild
deficiency,
trust, but the dog
whatever
didn't
is
respond.
that.
Then,
Kay
the dog suddenly
dili
became
dyan na
restless,
bagay
as
na
if
ako
it sensed
day.
something. Briggs didn't
Mangurog
understand what was
ko. kung wala ko ana. So dapat dili deficient wala ko ikuan deficiency when it comes to carbohydrates and protein. Kaya I need those things in order for me to grow. Yeah. And my head not to get
The dog remained completely calm. Briggs didn't
pain
stroke it and told his friend that the
and
dog wasn't so
ache.
scary
Am I
after all.
correct?
But the dog
Siguro
suddenly
English
felt
na,
better,
right?
scaring Briggs out of his
Hindi ka
wits.
mag-isig
He
English
quickly
kay
threw the dog
okay.
into his car, deciding to take it away from the prison. Even in the
Nakita
car,
na mo
the
sa
dog kept
buslot sa
barking furiously.
ilong.
After a while, it got tired and sat quietly, but Briggs was still very nervous. He called his senior
Buslot sa
officer. The officer told
ilong.
him that this wasn't an ordinary
Anan,
dog. It was a highly trained
ganan ko
military dog.
mangumong
Its
pikog
handler had been
mo.
killed in action. Since then,
So,
the dog had
magpadagan
gone
sa
mad and
pikog
started
mo
attacking
din.
everyone. Briggs
Try daw
decided to
ko
take the
ana
dog to
sa
its handler's funeral.
kanang
But
imong
this
vlog
wasn't
is
easy.
about
As soon as the call ended, the dog started going
magkuhag
crazy again.
mo
Briggs
sa
tried to
imong
calm it down by
ilong.
talking to it, but the dog didn't cooperate.
Wait, tawon day. Akong ilok day. Dili
His
tawon
courage
na
and removed the
ilagong.
muzzle from the dog's mouth.
Isod na
He
kay
slowly
ilagong.
opened the cage
Pag una ni
door,
undergong
wanting
mga
to let it out, but the
unsa-unsa.
dog started barking
Ay,
ferociously. Then Briggs closed
mahadlo
the cage
ko.
door again. When he
Anong
left,
mga
the dog rushed out of
unsa-unsa.
the cage. When
Ano
Briggs
mo kung
returned,
nawo.
he was shocked
Wala
by the
ni
condition
mga
of his car.
sa
Its
mga
seats were completely
facial
destroyed by the dog.
facial
He was
kay
so frightened that he didn't even dare to open the
hadlukan
car
ko
door. Then he had an
o
idea. He
mga
stuffed a
paksi
soft
atong
tranquilizer and fed it to the
pangit
dog.
o
A few
unsa
minutes
pa
later,
na
the dog
mag
passed
peel
out.
off.
Finally,
Wala
Briggs
ko
breathed a
masanay
sigh
na
of
na
relief.
day.
He stopped in a small village for the night. That
Kung
night, he
mahimo
felt guilty about the dog. When he offered it food,
wala
the
ra
tranquilizer
kita
had
pulan
already
man
weakened the
pud
dog
ko
so much that it
nakasulay
couldn't even
kong
stand
palit
up.
ang mga
It lay on the ground,
facial
eating slowly. Seeing
something
this,
mga
Briggs felt
product for
terrible.
the
He sat down next to the dog and
skincare
tried to
sa
feed it by hand,
face.
but the dog no longer
Dahil
trusted
sa
him. The
landay,
next morning, when
na-expire na
Briggs woke
laman
up,
kay
he
pag
found that the dog
pagkatapulan
hadn't
na
drunk
ng
any water all
day.
night. He opened the water bottle to take a
Akong
sip
buhaton
himself,
lang
but
pag
the dog suddenly lunged forward
aday
and snatched the
ligo
water
ka
bottle from his hand. Briggs
mag-safeguard.
nervously
Wala
chuckled
di
and
ko sa
tried to talk to it,
kapasabon.
attempting to
Nang
rebuild trust,
kuchik,
but the dog
muragod
didn't
na.
respond.
Yung mo
Then,
sa
the dog
tukulan
suddenly
ko,
became restless, as if it
putol-putol
sensed
kay
something.
kanang
Briggs
Bisaya
didn't understand what was
untaday.
happening. The dog jumped out of
Kada
the car and
limot,
ran into the woods. Briggs chased
putol-putol.
after it in a panic.
Para dili
But if
dali
you want to see more,
mahurot.
the movie is called
Takulan
Dog.
ako
This
mahurot.
dog is very
Ang
dangerous.
madugayan
Even
ako.
well-trained soldiers were afraid of it.
Ako'y
So its
pants
mouth was
tira.
muzzled and it was
Dugay
even
na
kept in a
kaayo
cage.
na
But
pila
one
na
day, a
kamo.
soldier decided to take it
Ulay
away. He walked into the
gamit-gamit.
dog's cage
Magamitan
without
ra.
any precautions. The dog immediately stood up, ready to attack.
Okay.
Briggs slowly
Takulan
approached the
ng
dog, trying to touch
taday.
it. The dog remained
Basta
completely calm.
tapalan mo,
Briggs
hindi
gently
ko na
stroked it and told his
masalay
friend that the dog wasn't so scary after all. But the dog
skincare.
suddenly lunged
Pag
at him,
ka mo
scaring
puti,
Briggs out of his wits. He quickly
puti.
threw the dog
Ayun
into the
lang
car, deciding to take it
gawas-gawas.
away from the prison.
Kaya para
Even in the
maputi
car,
ka,
the dog kept barking
magsami,
furiously.
sinana.
After a while, it got tired and sat
Nang
quietly,
magpatambo
but Briggs
ka,
was
kaya
still very
magpatambo
nervous.
ka, di
He
ba
called his
magsong
senior
kamis
officer. The officer
buot
told
kay
him that
ang
this wasn't an
skin.
ordinary dog. It was a highly trained military
Paniwan
dog.
ka, di
Its
ilusyon,
handler had been killed in
skin.
action.
Di
Since
ba?
then, the dog had gone mad and started
Meron
attacking
ng
everyone. Briggs decided to take
lifestyle.
the dog to its handler's
Ako
funeral, but this wasn't
mabuhat,
easy.
naging
As soon as the
ganito.
call ended, the dog started going
Pero wala
crazy
pa
again.
na into
Briggs tried to calm it
vlogging,
down by
kaya
talking to it, but the dog didn't
awa
cooperate until
mansad
the car
ko.
finally stopped. Briggs mustered his
Mansad
courage and
ko.
removed the muzzle from the
Mansab
dog's mouth.
manggulunta
He
na sa
slowly
mga
opened the cage
Islawi.
door, wanting to
Mansab.
let it out,
Dili
but the
sad.
dog started barking
Mansad
ferociously.
ko.
Then
Ito
Briggs closed
sa
the cage door again. When he
yawa.
left, the dog
Ang
rushed out of the
kalmir,
cage.
yawa.
When Briggs
Boy.
returned, he was shocked
Ulit
by the condition
bye-bye
of
kaya
his
nang
car. The
bye-bye.
seats were
Yung
completely
sa
destroyed by the dog.
ito ramang
He was so
dapita.
frightened that he didn't even dare to open
Amo
the car
dong.
door. Then he had an idea. He stuffed
Sabi
a
niya,
sausage
dong.
with a tranquilizer and fed it to the dog.
Muna
A
yung
few
mga
minutes later, the
dili,
dog
sad,
passed out.
sad, sad
Finally,
na.
Briggs
Ito
breathed a sigh
sabsab.
of relief. He stopped in a small village for the night.
Kaya na
That
kabisa
night,
yan
he
dahil.
felt
Pero
guilty about the dog.
iwa-iwa
When he
ng
offered it
kilig
food,
pa niya to
the
dito.
tranquilizer had already
But
weakened the
it's
dog
not
so much that it couldn't
cursing.
even stand up.
Cursing ba
It lay
naman?
on the
Yawa
ground,
ka.
eating
Yawa
slowly.
ka. Uy!
Seeing
Yawa!
this, Briggs felt
Yawa!
terrible. He sat
Nashadlok
down next
ka.
to the dog and
Yawa!
tried to feed it by hand,
Na-surprise
but the
ka.
dog no longer
Kaya,
trusted it. The next
yawa
morning, when
di
Briggs woke
ko.
up, he found that the dog hadn't drunk any water all
Ano
night. He
yawa?
opened the water bottle to take a sip
Pagkahadlok mo
himself,
sa
but
to.
the dog suddenly
Anak
lunged
ka.
forward and snatched the water
Sayaw
bottle
ng
from his hand.
handlok ka.
Briggs nervously chuckled and tried to talk to
Yawa!
it,
Nice
attempting to rebuild
kaya
trust,
ni.
but the dog didn't
Anak
respond.
ka.
Then, the dog suddenly
Ako
became
mga
restless,
Bisaya
as if it
ang
sensed
dilis
something.
daw.
Briggs didn't understand what was
Natuno o
happening. The
pangyawa
dog
in
jumped out of the car and ran into
different
the woods.
expression
Briggs
ng
chased after it in a panic.
pag-express
But if you
niya.
want to
Di
see
ba?
more, the movie is called
Mahadlok.
Dog. This dog is very
Wala ko na.
dangerous.
Doesn't
Even
mean na
well-trained
I'm a
soldiers
bad
were afraid
person,
of
you
it. So its
know.
mouth was muzzled and it was even kept in a cage.
Pangyawa
But
rin
one day,
ko.
a
Ano
soldier
kung
decided to take it away.
hindi
He walked into the dog's
bad
cage without
mouth,
any
pero
precautions.
not
The
a
dog
bad
immediately
person.
stood up, ready to attack.
Right,
Briggs
good.
slowly
Diba?
approached the dog, trying to touch it. The dog remained completely calm. Briggs
Okay.
gently stroked
Okay,
it and told his
baling
friend that the
hagok sa
dog
kong
wasn't so scary
baby.
after all. But the dog suddenly
Okay,
lunged at him,
baling
scaring
kilas
Briggs
ka
out of his
niya
wits.
at
He quickly threw
daytime.
the dog into the
So
car,
pag pag salop ng adlaw, low battery. Tawag na yung mama kay mukhaon na.
Pangkapoy.
Ay, ipang kape si. Bye.